like I said, it's all calm now in Rivers, so that's why we just say, okay, we spend very little time on Rivers issues, unlike the last time when we were here. We know that the situation is a lot calmer now. But then, we still cannot resist asking you a question on what the current situation is between you and your successor.
Chamberlain, is there a way you want to fight it?
Now, even that question you asked does not show that you want peace in that area. Because you people bring, when there's nothing, you go and...
There was a lot that time.
Is there peace now?
There was a lot that time.
Are people running away from the state?
No, I mean between politically and not about unrest.
Is there any election coming up now?
No, because the last time you said, I have fulfilled my own end of the arrangement, the bargain.
No, not I. No, don't use it. I didn't say I.
You.
No. I said we have.
Does that we include all
No. I said we. Look, you have people that said do this and do that. Yeah. And President said, okay, you go and do this. That which pertains to where I am, I say it has been done. That shows, yes, we have done our own part and peace is there. So if you see the other people, you ask them whether have they done their but I don't think that the mere fact that two people disagree means there's a crisis in the state. You people promote the crisis because something that does not exist, how you manufacture, how you come about it, is terrible.
If he was not there, why did the president intervene?
No. Let me tell you why. No. See, let me tell you why. President is an elder statesman. If he's not, mind you, he's an opposition party. I mean the APC, which is opposition then in the state. Right? Now, he would have capitalized on that to do anything. Rather, he said, no. I need peace here. Just there, I need peace everywhere. Is that the first area he has intervened? He intervened in Ondo State. We were forgetting all these things. And it looks as if it was only in Rivers. That shows
statesmanship. Forgive us for promoting the crisis in Rivers.
No, we didn't. We just reported what happened.
It did not.
But there's peace now.
It did not ask what happened.
Oh, okay.
When you see there is peace, all you would have done say, we commend you people for the peace. Don't come and ask me, is there peace now?
Okay.
I mean, which means all you are looking for there not to be peace. But if you say, we commend you for bringing peace, then I would have said, which peace? But yeah, there's peace. Okay. You start from the positive, not from the negative. So as far as I'm concerned, there is peace. Assembly is doing their work. Executive is doing their work. Judiciary is doing their work.
And you have your structure back?
Yes.
About assembly,
And you have your structure back?
Yes.
About assembly very quickly. This morning we understand that the budget has been pushed back by the High Court that it's no, there's a
it's not story on that. It's not High Court. You too.
Federal High Court.
It's not High Court.
Federal High Court.
You see, report what is correct. High Court is different from Federal High Court. Tomorrow they say it's the FCT High Court. Okay. Or that he's the Minister of the FCT. That is the interpretation you give tomorrow. That matter was there before the President intervened. So at the end of the President said, you present the budget. Okay. And of course said nullified. Is there anything...
But all is well now.
As far as I'm concerned, all is
well.
All is well.
All right.